Well, hello my gorgeous, gorgeous darlings, and welcome back to Alex's boho chic wardrobe. Today it's a very casual day and I wanted to show you how I've been mixing some of my things up. So I told you I love a good dungaree, wear dungarees all the time. If you've watched any of my other videos, you're going to see these amazing, beautiful crop tops that I actually got in another order with big huge pants, but we're not wearing those today. Anyway, I just thought I'd bring you along, quick get ready with me, show you what I'm up to. I'll show you what I'm adding to this outfit. So here in the UK it is a bit cold, so a little cute green cardigan to pick up the green in the roses, and just some Converse today. So we talk all the time about creating modern boho chic. Let's bring you in for a second, shall we? So let's just throw this outfit together. So when we talk about modern boho, we're not talking about everything having to have tassels and look bohemian, but I think there's a kind of chilled, cool look about wearing bohemian fashion in general, and I think dungarees really do fall into this. But again, we don't have to do dungarees with wedges. They look fantastic with wedges, but that's probably a little bit more 70s and not so modern. So bringing it up to date is good, and as a mid-size, middle-aged model, woman in general, you know what, Converse are great. Flat trainers do the world of good. Although, can I just point out, if any of you don't know me, I'm Alex Keeper, a mid-size, middle-aged model, and I'm also a dom on the side. Now, I actually put a little gel insole into these at the back because I don't know if any of you other lovely people, but when you hit middle age, plantar fasciitis, is that what it's called? Plantar fasciitis, something like that. It can really affect your feet, just the stretch on the tendons at the back there. So I actually do have to put a tiny little rise in all of my shoes now. If you're suffering with that, it's such an easy fix. Just get the gel ones, they're quite padded, and you literally just place them in the back of your shoe, slide your foot in. It's going to sort out all the problems. Now, saying that, let's just do a quick jump up. I'll show you this little gorgeous guy. I know I'm not really in frame now, but it's all good. I haven't got any earrings on today, that's what we need. I also really highly recommend just lift your sleeves, because finishing any outfit, this is not going to work. You're going back. Back you go. All right, let's try that. Yes, well, no, I'm still like hunched over. Okay, much better. Any outfit like this that's just got that lovely little detail poking through, I think a good pair of earrings is what you need. Should we grab some? Let's do it. Okay, I went for these gorgeous little stars and moons. They're really pretty, and they just give a little swoosh, because we talked about this, didn't we? There has to be a little swoosh. So this is my outfit of the day. What do you think? Is it cute? Would you wear it at nearly 50? I think you should, because honestly, you can wear whatever makes you happy. And this truly makes me happy. Wishing you an amazing day. Body positivity, 30, 40, 50. You're amazing. That's the only thing that matters. And remember, what you love will make everyone around you love it too. Mwah.